Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. I know a lot of folks are waiting for that airdrop, so today I want to talk about eligibility and how to claim that airdrop. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Cardano trading platform, TapTools tweeted, how to claim the Midnight airdrop. Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused partner chain, is distributing Night tokens to 37 million wallets across 8 chains. No pre-sale, 100% free via the Glacier drop. Here's what we know so far. As I mentioned before, Midnight is going cross-chain beyond just Cardano. Who's eligible? Holders of ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, AVAX, and BAT. It's good to note that only major L1 tokens are eligible. Any CNTs, Cardano native tokens, or NFTs are ineligible. Snapshot date, June 11th. Assets had to be in a non-custodial wallet at snapshot time. Centralized exchange, SEX users may qualify only if the exchange claims on their behalf. Not financial advice or anything, but I personally don't trust centralized exchanges, and I don't trust them to give you your Midnight. So hopefully you transfer stuff to a non-custodial wallet. So the big question, when is it happening? Expected between July and August, though the team says no later than November. More details will be shared by Midnight Network. Before, they did say as early as this month, July 2025, but there could be some delays, so hopefully not past November. How much Night will I receive? Based on early estimates, the conversion rate is 1 ADA to 0.816 Night. Here's a breakdown of what that looks like. Here's the Midnight Airdrop Calculator. 1,250 ADA to 1,020 Night. 12,500 ADA to 10,200 Night. 125,000 ADA to 102,000 Night. And 1,250,000 ADA to 1,020,000 Night. We still don't have the value of how much Night could be worth, but TapTools had some estimates. How much could your Night be worth? Depending on launch price, estimates range from pennies to serious upside. Here's a breakdown across different ADA holdings and price scenarios. If you hold 100 million ADA, your Night could be worth anywhere from 200,000 to 40 million USD. If you have 10 million ADA, your Night could be worth 20,000 to 4 million USD. If you hold 1 million ADA, your Night could be worth 2,000 to 400,000 USD. If you hold 100,000 ADA, your Night could be worth anywhere from $200 to $40,000. If you hold 10,000 ADA, your Night could be worth anywhere from $20 to $4,000. And finally, if you're a shrimp and hold 1,000 ADA, your Night could be worth $2 to $400. I hope that breakdown was helpful for you, but if you watch this channel, you're probably in it for the technology. So why it matters. Midnight uses zero-knowledge proofs to enable private, decentralized applications. The airdrop is retail only, no VCs, no presale, and ADA holders will receive the largest allocation. With this airdrop of Midnight, we'll get wider adoption, we'll get more people aware of the privacy solutions, and hopefully this will bring more liquidity to Cardano. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Midnight, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now, the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend with this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!